So what's happening? The big trends are clearly AI, devices everywhere, human-computer interfaces getting much easier to use, for people to interact with a computer, and then accessibility from anywhere, internet accessibility from anywhere, and things available in the cloud and at the edge. And it's all moving kind of fast, and it's a little hard for us to keep up because there's so many ways to take advantage and there's so many ways to abuse all this technology. On the more, looking at sort of the optimistic views of what all's happening, one area is to look at education. And I think increasingly, technology is becoming incredibly easy to use. What a programmer can do today, you couldn't have dreamed of 5 years ago. And so I imagine in 5 more years, what the kids are going to be doing in first grade is going to kind of blow our minds. And I think the result of that is going to be a lot more diversity in terms of shaping technology. I think there'll be, even numbers of men and women. I think there'll be underrepresented minorities using technology in very powerful ways, on an equal footing with the white men. And so I think education's going to change and become a lifelong thing. It already is sort of becoming that way, and maybe in 5 years it'll be so easy and so much a part of life, and because people realize they have to keep up with this fast-moving world of technology that people will learn all their lives. And then if you look at, artificial intelligence, it's becoming, when I talk about developers, it's becoming democratized. People will be able to use what data they have to get machine learning, to get AI advantages. Anybody will be able to do it. It won't require a PhD in computer science or machine learning. And I think then if you kind of drill down and, for example, take something like health, I think increasingly we're going to start taking charge of our data. I think every individual will own their own data. You'll wear your device on your arm, and you'll be able to start thinking about outcome-based health and only going to the doctor when you're diagnosed. Thank you.